Lionel Therond from Capital Networks with me on the line this morning. Lionel, good morning. Good to speak to you.
Yeah, good morning, Andrew.
For Lionel's full report, don't forget to click on the eye in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Lionel, Green Dragon Gas announcing their intention to list in Hong Kong. What further details do we know?
Yes, so they have announced intention to list the production assets. The exploration development assets will remain listed in London. We don't have a lot of details beyond that. What we know, what the company said, is that the production company in Hong Kong will be debt-free. I think they will do a capital raise to reimburse the debt that the current company has. So that's good news in itself. We don't have much about the shareholding structure of the production company listed in Hong Kong. What we know is going to be Green Dragon Gas, going to be obviously Green Dragon Gas shareholders and new shareholders, but the mix of that obviously we don't know at this stage. I think we're going to get a lot more details because obviously that transaction needs shareholder approval, so that's going to be required, and the AGM is happening next week on the 20th, 11 o'clock. So they'll seek shareholder approvals for that operation, and I'm sure we'll have a lot more details then. But at this stage, that's what we know.
And the company hosting the exploration assets, we believe, could be renamed G3 Exploration Limited?
Yes, that's right. There's a change of for that company, in London, that's going to be called G3 Exploration Limited. I assume the Hong Kong company is going to be called Green Dragon Gas. But yeah, that's the name of the new company.
Give us a bit more detail here, Lionel, on the implications for current shareholders in Green Dragon Gas.
Okay, so I think the main implication is question is that is the sum of the two will be worth more than the company itself. The new listing is going to be distributed to existing shareholders a dividend in specie, so you'll receive a share essentially of Green Dragon Gas in Hong Kong. If you look at Green Dragon Gas itself so far, we have a certain valuation for it based on the value of the asset, and that's about 220p. Obviously, the stock has been trading at a big discount to that, and a big part of that was the fact that obviously the company had some debt repayment, debt repayment in near future. So the solution for that was a bit unclear. So the fact that the company will raise capital and be in a position to reimburse that debt obviously is a big positive for the share price, and obviously for current shareholders. Now, beyond that, whether you have a share in an exploration company in London plus a share of a production company in Hong Kong, is that worth more than having a share of a production exploration company in London? That's unclear. We need, first of all, we need more details, and second of all, I'm not sure that the sum of the two would be worth more than what I had as a valuation for Green Dragon Gas. But I don't want to jump too far ahead and preempt those details. So we'll see what the company has to say.
We shall. For Lionel's full report, click on the eye in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Lionel, good to speak to you. Thanks very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.